going on, guys? It's Ultraz back at it again. We're in a very different location today. Today we are at, as you can see behind me, this is not your normal everyday station. In fact, can I get a shot of the sign here? Maybe. Windsor and Eton Central Station is where we are at today. That's probably a better shot. But yeah, we are in a non-Southwestern Railway station. So if we have a look, I think there's a train currently coming next way now. Sure. I'm just going to come up here. Yeah, so we actually have a lot to see today, funnily enough. A lot to see today, guys. So, yeah, probably one of the best episodes you're gonna get. So, okay, so over there, as you can see, we've got a little Ferris wheel. That's pretty sick. It's almost the season. And what is in Windsor and Eton Central? Just a singular platform. It's a shuttle service between Windsor and Slough by train, run by the Great Western Railway. K2. So there's the buffers for the end of the station. So yeah. The next train, the one thing we are going to get in this video, guys, is a shot of the train. That's one thing I am determined to get a shot of. I don't know if you can see, guys, sky very cloudy today. Being in Windsor today was a very happy accident. See, you'll see why later on in the video. This is gonna be quite a long one today, guys. This video is gonna be quite a long one. There will be cuts, but cuts that I will force into the video, not cuts that you guys. So yeah, we're just waiting for the train to come. What I was going to say, there's not much to say. I mean, I guess there's the castle. We can get a shot of the castle. So yeah, Windsor Castle's over there. Goes across a little viaduct. Of course, we're not actually going to be riding this service. Funnily enough, we're not actually going to be riding it. We're only going to be viewing the train coming in, because I don't ride Great Western Railway. And I didn't mean to come to Windsor today, so this is a happy, enjoyable accident for you guys. I've still got to figure out how I'm going to get back. But you'll see, join the ride with me today as we are in Windsor today. We're not just covering Windsor and Eton Central today. I will later in this video cover Windsor and Eton Riverside Station. So we wait now. The desperately long wait for whatever it is we're waiting for. Just gonna check the time quick because I know when the train's coming. Oh Jesus. Yeah, we've got a while to wait for the train. So I'd say get very comfortable, guys, because I don't see the train coming anytime soon, and I want there to be as little cuts as possible. We've got a plane coming up. Let's have a look at this guy. Where'd the plane go? I don't know where it's gone. Can you see it? Oh, there it is. Ooh. the plane. Very windy day. I feel like I'm gonna drop the camera every time it blows. It's a very short platform, this, so I'm standing right at the end, so yeah, like further down the platform as well where the passengers are, and I'm just up here with the camera just being like, yep, I'm filming this. I've been doing a lot of filming recently, so you're getting more content, but not because I'm forcibly making content. I have more than one purpose in these places. I've never seen the Ferris wheel up in Windsor for a long time, so it's good to see, because I don't come to Windsor that often. I was actually here on last Friday, not this Friday. I was trying to actually record a video for you guys. I think on Friday I wanted to, but I just forgot to do it. It was going to be stains, which I think I've covered in the Felton video. You know, we went through it, but I'm always there quite often though, so I can cover that anytime. I was there earlier, that's how I ended up here. I'll explain later on in the video. For now, we just patiently wait for this train to come. Oh Lord, come on train. Are you gonna come across the little bridge or not? Alright, I guess I might as well, whilst we have time, I'll show you the departure board. I guess maybe I'll show you guys just the outside section of the station. Oh, there's two. Oh wait, oh, it's our lucky day. Here's the train. It'll be the first and probably the last Great Western Railway train you'll see on the channel, so revel it. I'm not staying here to film this train twice. You're only gonna get to view it once, and I felt rain, so I'm definitely not filming this twice. And as you can see, pulling in is a Great Western Railway train. This is very good indeed. Gotta love a bit of Great Western Railway action here at Windsor and Eton Central Station. The class 165. There we go, that is the Great Western Railway service from Slough to Windsor in Central. We're just going to sort of slide our way through the pack a little bit. It's very busy and it's starting to rain, so just take it all in, guys, take it all in. The first and last Great Western Railway service on our channel. And this this will be the first and last service you'll see of Great Western Railway on the channel, as it now prepares to make its way back towards Slough. And now we leave Windsor and Eastern Central, we leave it there now. Right, currently leaving the station, and we're going to make our way to the next station that's going to be on the line that we're going to today. We are going to be heading next to, if I can help it, I don't know. Oh my god. Very packed, I don't know. We're making our way over. Just slowly make our way through. We're going to cut through this little cafe section here. Alright, now we're out in the wild. Get a wider shot of me. Right, so now we're making our way to Windsor and Eton Riverside Station, which is just around the corner, I'm not going to cut the video if I can help it, so we just go. Right, speed walk. If you guys do enjoy the videos, may I remind you to like and subscribe for more content. And leave a suggestion down below, where shall I go next? Obviously, you guys probably won't get to decide, but you know, what do you guys want to see? You know, what will give me the most views? Because we've been lacking with them recently. Although I appreciate you guys for leaving a like on the video. Please subscribe, dude. The subscribers count hasn't gone up in a long time. It's gone down, in fact. It keeps fluctuating between 250 subscribers. If we can make it up to 300 subscribers by the end of the month. I know that sounds crazy. Could you imagine we get more? 500, 1,000. Nah, I'm just playing with you guys. I'm just playing. Although that'd be sick, and it's starting to rain. Uh-oh. The camera's gonna get wet. That's great. Oh well, don't matter to me. Just stay warm, Tom. Stay warm. Oh my god. It was raining earlier too, so you guys don't know how busy this place is. It's ridiculous. Alright, making our way down the hill. Windsor Castle in the background. Oh my god, it is getting so wet now. I think, oh my god, is that? You won't feel it, yeah. Oh my god damn it. Right, I'm gonna do something about this. Let's go faster, that's a good idea. Not much faster walking with a camera in your hand, but you're experiencing everything I'm experiencing. It's a realistic vlog. Realistic as hell, this vlog. We're gonna cross the road here, make our way down. Not long to go now for, oh my god. Holy shit! Pardon my language, but what the heck? Look at this, guys. What the hell? Alright, we're now heading up to Windsor and Eton Riverside Station is up ahead. I'm going to switch this around. Right. Oh my word. The camera's getting so wet, and I need to dry it off. Not like now. Can we cross over? Can we cross over? Not yet. Can in a minute. And I can see, guess what guys, it's called Ultraz Railway Journeys. Well, I will explain something to you in a second. Let's go across the road now. Dang it. Stupid shit. Alright, we're across. And there up ahead is Windsor and Eaton Roadside Station. The second station on the list to be covered in Windsor. Meaning that we've now covered both Windsor stations. If we go inside, you will see there are no trains because everything today is being run